Okay guys, this is the final step where I am putting the glue to close off the end of the pillow. I have folded it, so I'm putting a generous amount of glue on, because what I'm doing now is I am about to close the pillow. So now I have it folded on each layer, and then I lay it down on top of each other. So I'm closing off the end of my pillow. So you make the glue meet up, close it off, and then you have your fox throw pillows. So I'm closing it off, and just take your time, sandwich the glue in, make sure you get it really good so that it don't come loose. But just giving you guys an idea, I'm gonna have to get some more glue. But I'm closing the end off. If you guys can see, I'm closing the end of it off, and I'm gonna have to get some more glue to continue to close it off. But just kind of give you guys an idea. It's not, I gotta let it dry, but you guys can see this is what your throw pillow will look like. When you do it, you get a nice pillow, and you get your faux fur, and you can make your own throw pillow. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.